welcome back. Today I have here 3 old toolboxes that I want to share with you. As you can see, they are very old. I will be opening the smallest one here first. Oh man, this one is really stiff. I'm going to get something to pry that one open. Okay, I'm now back with something to open the box. Okay, good. And this is what is inside of the box. I have no idea what this is. This is the second box here I am opening. And this is the inside of the box. This resembles an ice pick. I'm not sure if that is what it is. Really big screwdriver and whatever this is. There's some old pipe fittings. Old door lock. There's some nails. Old wiper blades. I think this is a yardstick. Let me see. No, it's more than a yardstick because I see up to 54 inches on here. Well, it's some kind of inch measure. And an old screwdriver. Very old. Oh, here's another one. Whatever this is, silicone, the Home Pro line, bathroom tub and tile sealant. This is really hard. And that's it for the second box. And now for the last box. This is the biggest one. I saved this one for last. This is inside of the box. Still has a nice green here. You can see a lot of rust in here. Not sure what this is. I'm not a tool person, I just wanted to share these things here. Look at that. A whole lot of rust and dirt. think this is probably a zinc shear. I'm not sure. And a tiny screwdriver here. Let me get this thing open so I can see what's inside of here. Come on. And this is inside the bigger part of the box. As I said before, I am not really a tool person. I just wanted to share what was inside the box, so some of these things I have no idea what they are. I know this is a lever and it's a really old one. And this is a file, maybe a saw file or for machetes, I'm not sure. Now this is an interesting piece. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed digging into the boxes with me. Thanks for watching.